Hi, I'm Christina. My goal is to transform our basic living room into a more vibrant space with bright colors. This was my first time working with wallpaper. It was a little frustrating at first, starting with me being unaware of how many rolls one must buy to fill up a long wall. Initially, I wanted the whole wall to have palm trees, but wallpaper is expensive. The palm tree was priced at $55 per roll. I got it on clearance for $19. The lemons were $39 per roll, on clearance for $14. Both were purchased from Lowe's Home Improvement. I decided to do things the unconventional way by mixing and matching patterns since there was only one row of palm tree left and 4 rows of the lemons. I got the artificial plant from Bed Bath & Beyond, the silver floor lamp, the 5x7 rug, and wall decor were purchased from At Home. This is just the beginning. My husband and I will add a white sofa, a glass coffee table to match with the glass dining table. Subscribe to my channel to follow along with my DIY projects. Alright, we're at Lowe's Home Improvement store to purchase the wallpaper. Well, to purchase the wallpaper glue, and I'm gonna see if there's any black and white wallpaper that I can find here. Aisle 9 for the paint section. Wait, no, the wallpaper's over here. Okay, great. So the only thing that they have on sale is this blue flower wallpaper. What else do they have on sale? So this is the type of black and white wallpaper that I'm looking for, but as you can see the price, $56 per roll, and it's going to take at least 5 rolls for Scott Living. That's why I don't want to purchase it here. Where is the aisle? I could have sworn the paints, the wallpaper glue was in this aisle. Okay, I guess they moved. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Sure. We don't have a huge selection of adhesive, but that Roman is good stuff.
Okay, yes. Thank you. So yes, this is the Roman. I purchased it at another Lowe's store, so it was in a different section. That's why I couldn't find it. This is currently how I have the wallpaper in my bathroom. Mix and match due to the price. First things first, with wallpaper, you'll have to measure the dimensions of the wall that you're wanting to paste the wallpaper on. You'll have to measure the length times the width so that you'll have an accurate amount of wallpaper that you will need to purchase. So today is all about measurements. So today I'm just going to measure this wall, and I'm also going to measure the walls in my bathroom where I'm fixing the wallpaper as well. It's much easier to measure wallpaper when there's 2 or 3 people, but if you're doing it by yourself, a great hack is to use a little bit of tape so that you can hold on the metal part of the measuring tape down. you're wondering why I have these cushions floating around, it's because these cushions, they're going to replace the chairs that I have over there, because those chairs were donated by my husband's aunt. So I went and purchased new ones, very cheap, $8 at Ollie's discount, and they're actually really nice. 2 for $8. Where can you find that at? Beautiful bright colors. I finally got my lips sculpture from Z Gallery. I've been eyeing this for such a very long time because it's so chic and stylish, and I just had to have it because I'm a girly girl, and anything that represents beauty is definitely for me. And it matches this silver lamp that I got from at home. Voila! Here it is. It's actually a lot lighter than what I thought. I thought that it would be heavier because it looked like it was, you know, iron or silver, but look at that. Super cute. There's also one in gold, but I like silver better, so this is the one. Originally the price is $99, but they had 2 sales on Memorial Day and the 4th of July. So I got the 4th of July sale and I purchased it for $68. Shipping is what's kind of a little bit steep. The shipping was $16, but when another sale would run, so I just had to get it whenever I could. And I pictured that I might set this on this corner over here and put the mirror right underneath it, but I don't know, I'll play around with it. I'm gonna add an image to this video to show you the vision of what I want this corner to look like.
This was my very first time setting up wallpaper and taking it down, so I was finding different ways to remove wallpaper as easily and quickly as possible. I like peel and stick wallpaper because it's just that. You peel it from canvas, then stick it on the wall. Then you peel it again to remove it from the wall. But I had so much trouble with removing the unpasted wallpaper that you have to paste with the Roman glue. I tried a steamer, but that wasn't efficient because the water in the steamer evaporated too quickly. The wallpaper has to be very wet to dissolve the glue. Let me know what other methods you have used to remove wallpaper in the comments below. For a large space, I recommend this product, but I like to go the cheap route and find similar items at Dollar Tree or Ollie's discount store to save money.
Ellos no están muy.
I'm a girly girl and I love kisses, so of course I'll purchase a wallpaper with red kissy lips. I was very disappointed in this wallpaper though, because it took exhaustingly long to work with. It just wouldn't peel off its canvas. For as high priced as this was, I only got 2 strips out of it, and it didn't cover all of the parts that I wanted. So I would not recommend this for a full living room wall. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the second part and final reveal. The wallpaper is already up. I hope to get the filming and editing done within 2 weeks. Also, I want to shout out a huge thank you to Academic Tryhard for being the very first member joined to my channel. I have a very special gift for you. I will mention memberships in my next video. I will also work on college prep and advice for new or returning college students. Ciao!